It must have been an absolutely stellar report, Susan.
Yeah, I mean, have you seen this type of volatility, Stu, with companies worth $2–3 trillion moving 25%, 11% in Amazon's case today in the opening minutes? So look, a day after the biggest value wipeout in stock market history, we had Meta losing $230 billion or so in market cap. You're now looking at $150 billion in value creation thanks to this 10% rally that we're seeing, and that's slightly less than the $200 billion that Apple added in one single day last week after their earnings. But you had Amazon, I mean, blowing away estimates. I think I had to do a double check when I saw those numbers crossing the tape, making 10 times more profit than anticipated in the final 3 months of last year. Record sales over that 3-month period. Cloud was growing at 40%. And then finally, for the first time, they broke out advertising revenue. Advertising sales $31 billion last year. You know, Amazon makes more advertising revenue than all newspapers combined in this country. And by the way, the Rivian stake added $11 billion to the bottom line. Yes, they're raising prime prices to $139 in the year, which is the first time they're doing that in 4 years. But look at what Wall Street is doing. I counted at least 10 price target hikes this morning, 4,000 or so. But I'll tell you this, you know, a lot of people on social media were really disappointed that there was no stock split. So you're still paying $3,000 or so for the Amazon stock, but there are fractionated shares these days. You can't just buy a slice of it. You don't have to buy the whole thing.
Yeah, if they had announced a stock split, I think that would have added to their gain today, I think, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, well, you've seen that with Google. You've seen that with Tesla, Apple stock, whenever they announce share splits, which isn't necessary these days, as I mentioned to you, with fractionated shares, but that you usually have a rally in the stock heading into the actual split itself.
Back in the day, Susan, if a stock got to $100 a share, they'd do a 4-for-1 split just like that. They would. Now you get to 3,000 or 4,000 and nothing happens.
Things are different.